Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please don't forget to share these videos if you can. Let everybody know. Also, if you're able to contribute to these ongoing videos, that would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much. Today's Wednesday. Every day we speak about the vibrations. The vibration of Wednesday is the communicator, and the musical interval is the fourth. May the fourth be with you. The communicator uses language. Actually, that's what I was going to read about. I should just read it. From the golden. That's the second time I've done that. From the global oracle. The communicator uses language to connect matter and spirit. He employs words to transcend words, to go beyond words. As Lao Tzu said, the Tao that can be put into words is not the Tao. The intellect cannot identify ultimate truth. It can only cut away falsehood. The Sanskrit term is Neti, not this, not this. I'm not this, 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 I'm not this. So the communicator questions everything. The person who has this spiritually, the Jnana Yogi, questions everything, especially his own identity. He strips away false identifications with his body, senses, mind, intellect, will, feelings. And finally, his sense of I-ness. Eventually he realizes the ultimate answer is beyond words, beyond conception, beyond thinking and feeling. His mind does not spin in the attempt to discriminate. He just quietly and patiently observes the different levels of his personality, and the ego flees his inner gaze, trying to hide in the shadows of unexplored corners of consciousness. He silently witnesses his life, observing how the senses, the mind, and the feelings function. The analysis component is secondary to the witness value. Non-judgmental, neither active nor passive, just watching the mind churn, watching the ego judge and justify. Eventually the churning slows and stops, and the mind collapses into no mind. The ego cannot live in silence. It cannot survive in light. It cannot breathe without duality. Comparing self to non-self to justify its own fictitious existence. It cannot breathe without duality, comparing self to non-self to justify its own fictitious existence. So listen to the music of Ornette Coleman today, or Alice Coltrane, or Jimmy Rogers. Maybe Sinead O'Connor. Tom Waits. The great Doug Somm. Say to yourself, I'm not the body, I'm not the mind, immortal self I am. In all conditions I am knowledge, truth, bliss, absolute.